So as you can see, this gasket here, it's all in good shape. This is original gasket, so we will not replace it with the new one, because the new one is not as good as the original one, you know, the one that came from Apple. So we will keep the gaskets here, what we call it, the sealer as well, here, and we could keep it original. We just put the screen in. It will still hold on to the screen, and it prevents the water or splashes that goes into the phone, you know. So we will just stick back the new screen onto it and see how we get on. So as I said, put all the connectors back into where they are, connect them, and then the battery connector is the last thing that you need to connect. So to test the screen, we have to do this now and see how the phone reacts.